In a world ruled by smartphones, skyscrapers, and fast food, there exists a people untouched by time. Deep in the wild heart of Tanzania, the Hadza tribe lives as our ancestors once did, hunting, gathering, and thriving without technology, without farming, and without permanent homes. They are one of the last true hunter-gatherer tribes on Earth. Their language is one of the oldest spoken today, full of clicks, pops, and tones that seem more like music than words. No known language is related to it. Linguists believe it may be a living remnant of the first human speech. The Hadza eat what the land gives. They survive on more than 200 wild plant species, berries, roots, baobab fruit, and one golden treasure, honey. Men climb tall trees with nothing but handmade tools and smoke out bees to harvest sweet, wild honey. It makes up nearly 15% of their diet. They hunt with bows crafted from tree branches, using poison-tipped arrows to bring down game as large as antelope and zebra. There are no guns, no traps, only ancestral skill and raw precision. But what's truly remarkable is how they live together. No chiefs, no hierarchy, no written laws. They live in small camps that change often, and if someone doesn't like how things are going, they simply leave. There's no wealth, no ownership, no one in charge. And science has taken notice. When researchers studied Hadza DNA, they were stunned. Their genetic markers carry some of the most ancient human lineages still alive, offering a window into our shared past. Even more incredible, they show almost no signs of modern diseases like diabetes, high blood pressure, or obesity. Their active lifestyle, natural diet, and tight-knit social structure keep them remarkably healthy. But how do they remain separate from the modern world? The answer lies in resistance and choice. The Hadza move frequently through remote bushland, choosing to live on their own terms. Some outsiders come, but the Hadza often reject modern tools, clothing, and even money. They value freedom more than comfort. Yet their world is shrinking. Farming, cattle grazing, and tourism threaten their ancient lands. Climate change alters their foraging cycles. The pressure to adapt, to modernize, is growing. Still, the Hadza endure, not as a people clinging to the past, but as living proof of another way to be human. A way that values community over consumption, simplicity over speed, nature over machines. They are not just a tribe. They are a mirror reflecting who we once were, and maybe who we could be again. Because in the wild rhythm of their lives, there's a quiet wisdom that modern society is just starting to remember.